is not easy to define what is a science diplomat, and there is no professional identity named as such. But examples are chief scientist advisors to ministers of foreign affairs, science attachés at embassies, and all those who are directly in charge of science and technology files and issues in international organizations and who deal with the governance of global challenges. So why and how to train these different populations? What about training in science diplomacy? And what about training of science diplomats?